Hey guys, welcome to your Testing Academy. My name is Pramod, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the 5 cold email tips to land your dream job as a software tester, developer, anywhere that you want, right? How you can do that and how to basically do a cold email to HR so that your resume gets selected every time. Let's discuss in this video. All right, awesome. All right, guys. So first of all, very basic question. Many times people ask me this, like, Pramod, what exactly is the cold email? You are saying that what do cold email to HR? What exactly this mean? So cold email, what exactly it is, right? So cold email is nothing but a email sent to receiver without any prior contact. So basically, you are sending an email to a person. These can be HR, right? It can be your friend, right? You're sending an email, but you don't know them properly. You don't know them. The purpose is basically to get something back. What exactly I'm getting back? Basically it can be some connections. I want to connect with that person. I want to grab some opportunity. There is a particular opportunity there, or in the end, basically I want to email the HRs, especially for the job offer. Okay, so whatever there's a job opening, I want to apply for that, and I'm sending that email. And why it is very, very important is and let me tell you with my example. I have done cold emailing many times. I have basically sent lots of different email to the different HRs. Sometimes they get selected, sometimes they are not getting selected. But if I have sent 100 email, if 5 are selected, then it's a great, or 5 or 3 are I am selected, right? It's actually I think it's a win for me, right? So when do you send the cold email? Very important question. Basically, whenever you want. So if you have any kind of a dream company, so let me tell you very important thing. The last company that I was there, right? I was at the browser stack, right? I think I have done the cold email to the HRs first, right? When you want to use your network to introduce someone, so if you want to introduce, or if you want to get introduced by someone, definitely you can do the cold email. I'm going to show you the example also, don't worry. We will have a template for you guys also. Okay, whenever you want to set up an informational interview, so this is really important. I think most of the people will be doing this, where most of the time, suppose I want to apply for a company. I am sending this email to HR, right? What exactly I have to send? What should be the format? So that what should be the format, and possibly what are the different mistake I can make, we will discuss in this video. Okay, so we can avoid those mistakes. All right, whenever you want to let the recruiter know that you are applying for a job, this is really important. Many times I'm going to tell you this very important thing. I think nobody started discussing this. Many times you directly apply to a portal, for example a Naukri portal, and there is an email ID, you know the HR email ID, but you don't follow up. What exactly it means? You just applied there and waiting, right? But you don't follow. So follow up basically means you don't send a reminder to the HR email ID. Hey, have you seen my previous email? You don't send the second follow up, third follow up, fourth follow up. I think these till fourth follow up I have tried and it works well. So if you follow up with the HRs, they will definitely reply back to you. But people are not doing, especially Indians. I don't know why they are not following up. They just apply to the portal. Suppose I have applied in Naukri.com, probably in LinkedIn, Indeed, anywhere I have applied, and they forgot. They don't basically follow up with the HRs. This is really, really bad situation. Okay, so what you need to do, things about cold email is that most of the most very harsh truth, most of the emails will fail. I would say out of 100, probably you will get only for 1 reply or 2 reply, but that's fine, because this 1-2 reply can fetch you a decent job. So I would suggest increase this, make it like 500, and make it like 5 out of 5 get selected in one, and if it is falls under your dream company list, you are good to go, right? So don't worry about it. Start doing the cold email. Now let's jump to the very important question, like what are the benefits of the cold email, right? The first benefit is that it's basically reached to the user inbox, so they can see that you have applied for the job. Okay, you are the right candidate because you have applied. You have a advantage there. You may send up a follow-up emails about your original email, but don't overdo it. That's what I'm saying, right? Follow up to 2 or 3 is fine, right? I have tried 4 or fifth time also, but if they are not replying, they will not reply. But after one or two reply, I think second or third has the most probability of getting answer. So make sure you do that. Okay, right. Can help the potential employer feel as though they space an option. I mean, this is really important, right? Where if you are sending them follow-up emails, right, they will definitely reply you back. Receipt cold can reply. They can reply easily and quickly. That this is really I think self-explanatory. And now let's jump into like how do I write the proper cold email, right, for a job, especially. I'm talking about job especially here. Identify the person, get the email ID. I think you can get the email ID by LinkedIn or any other method. For example, on Naukri.com, you can find the email IDs. Tell them exactly what you are looking for, and if there is any opportunity, for example, if there is a senior SDET profile or SDET profile, there is an opening there, you can send them an email. Just make a small, very small email. Personalize your email message, basically personalize for that HR only. That's the really important. And follow up is necessary. Follow up to F2 and F3. That's the funda. Tips for sending. I think short. I have told you. Keep it simple, short and simple. Proofread your email. Please don't make grammatical mistakes. Never share your basically share your interest. Include your availability when you are available. So you can say that, okay, hi, my name is Pramod. I have been into industry for more than 5 years, and I have seen that there is a senior SDET profile there. You can send the link, and you can say that here you will find my resume. I think I am perfect match. I have done this project, and I am responsible for this, and I am available on the next weekends. You can schedule my interview if you find my profile attractive. That's it. So you can send that. So I have given you the example also, right? Awesome. So this is one email template that I have found, and I think it's really interesting. Cold emailing. The link is in the indeed.com. This overall PDF is already available in the SDET/notes in the mind map section. You can download these and you can click on the link and basically see that. You can see that it's basically talk about that. What is your name? What are the skills that you have? What is the position I want to apply? And your ability, and that's it, right? The similar example that I have given you previously. There are a couple of, for example, like I have tried many times. If you see, like this is to the point actually, that I want to apply here. For example, this is a couple of things. I mean, this is self-explanatory that you can give it a try. So I hope you have found something useful in this, guys. In conclusion, I want to give you this, especially for the freshers and the person who have experience of 3 to 5 years. Please, very important, make sure you are cold emailing to the HR. Follow up with the follow-up 1, 2, 3. Make your own template, personalize them, make it short, and please follow up and do cold email frequently so that your chances of getting increase or visibility increase in the eyes of the HRs. Okay, I hope you will be successful and you will get your dream company like me. I have done it like multiple times, and thanks a lot for watching. I hope you are getting the value from these videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.